Hi, today I'm going to check out the Samsung professional camera lens filter assembled over my S24. I'm filming under bright conditions and this is footage recorded with my S22 Ultra. The Samsung professional camera lens filter has been assembled over my S24 Ultra. This is it. So it's like a phone clamp. I've connected a tripod to the bottom of the Samsung filter, and on the Samsung camera filter I'm using both the CPL filter which comes along with it and also the ND8 ND filter. This is the one. Both are stacked on each top of each other. I'm going to turn this around and show you some test footage, and you can see that although I'm filming at 1 p.m. over here, you can see that it's 1:10 p.m. It's very bright, and on this phone you can see that the sky is hazy. But let's see the result with the filters assembled onto the lens and see the results. Now I will switch on the phone and you can see that all the three lenses of the phone are visible. This is a tele lens, normal lens and wide angle lens here. Now I'm filming with the normal camera app of the S24 Ultra, 4K 24 frames per second, 16:9, flashlight is off, and it's in the pro video mode. ISO is 1, shutter speed is 1/50, focus is center, white balance is 5200K. So this is the footage with the S24 Ultra. So I'm using the tripod. The filter is assembled above on the tripod because there is a 1/4 inch thread over here. The phone is accommodated snugly in the jaws of the professional camera lens filter. You can see here, and the side keys are easily accessible. As you can see here, this is the side key and this is the volume key. You can trigger recording easily, and one should ensure that the phone is held firmly between the two jaws of this professional camera lens filter here. Otherwise, if it tilts like that, there is the risk of phone falling out of the grasp of this filter. So these are the safety steps one should ensure before filming. So this is the professional camera lens filter here. The alternative to using the Samsung camera lens filter is those clip-on filters. I've got one over here, and I've got an LD variable density LD filter also. I will assemble it over the phone and show you how that is used. I'll also show whether this filter, professional camera lens filter, can be used with the phone in a S5 smooth S5 gimbal. I don't think it can be used, but if you want to use the phone held in a gimbal, then one might have to use the clip-on filters with the ND filters. The alternative to using this Samsung professional camera lens filter is this one. These are the traditional filters which will be assembled over the phone. So on this side you have a 17mm slot over here, which you can see, and this will go only over one lens, unlike this one where the filter is covering all three lenses. And so if you want to switch the cameras while filming on this phone, if you want to go from wide to tele to wide normal zoom to tele to super tele zoom, then you have to remove this clip from the phone and move it to the other camera. So that's not required on this one. So it occupies a large area, 72mm, and the 72mm lens filter covers all the three cameras together. So this was the one which I was using before. You may have to still use that while filming with your gimbal, but for normal filming, this is now a better deal. It's much cheaper than buying dedicated lens ND filters. I have got an ND8 over here, and as I will show you in the footage, it is sufficient. But if you want, there are variable density ND filters, so that's possible. So this is the professional camera lens filter from Samsung on my S24 Ultra. I have uploaded a video on the unpacking of this Samsung professional camera lens filter. You can check it out here. To see more videos on phone camera, check out my YouTube channel A.K. Venkatachalam. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel A.K. Venkatachalam. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.